Tranquility Base here. The Eagle has landed.
When men first walked on the moon, 500 million people, 1/6 of the Earth's population, watched in awe. For 2 hours, Neil Armstrong and Buzz Aldrin explored the lunar landscape.
And now we have 2 Americans on the moon.
It's not beautiful. It's magnificent desolation. Magnificent achievement for humanity.
That achievement provided the raw material for research that continues today in this rarely seen NASA lab. Behind this steel vault door, moon rocks, the building blocks of our solar system, older than rocks on Earth, snapshots of how and when planets and moons were formed.
When they found out this rock was 3.9 billion years, that was a big deal.
Since the Apollo days when this control room came alive, NASA has come a long way. But its mission today is less clear. Is it the moon, Mars, and should humans go at all?
Well, we've got a beautiful picture.
NASA believes the moon is the crucial next step. Its mandate, return people there by 2020.
Ignition, we have ignition.
This time, 2 rockets would launch to carry heavier loads, one carrying astronauts, the other cargo. In low Earth orbit, the capsule carrying the astronauts and the lunar lander would dock. After 4 days of travel, all 4 astronauts would land on the moon. For a week, they would try to learn whether it's possible to live off the land in space. For instance, the moon's poles may contain ice, a possible source of water, oxygen, and hydrogen. Their spacesuits attached to the exterior of the lunar rover. From inside, astronauts could step in or step out of their suits. Jeff Hanley leads NASA's new system of spacecraft called Constellation.
We're trying to go anywhere. We're trying to stay twice as long with twice as many people.
But critics, including the second man on the moon, say NASA must go to places people have never gone before.
That's a little bit different than Neil and Buzz kicking up dust on the moon. I think we owe them something more than that.
Tell me if you got a picture.
Ultimately, America has to make hard choices about how much risk to take and how much we're willing to spend. Just a trip to the moon would cost an estimated $100 billion. As once again, NASA makes the case for space and the next giant leap for man.
Hello, Eagle.
Mark Strassman, CBS News, Houston.